If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Compass High Altitude in billet silver. With bi-XENON HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, satin granite badges, neutral gray side roof rails, rear window wiper and washer, heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, only 21,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with navigation, a rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, a dual-pane panoramic sunroof, all powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5743.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.